Okay, so I'm out here in this big old concrete parking lot that's never used here in Spring, Texas, and I was out here to fly my DJI FPV with the Integra goggles, which I updated all the firmware and got it to work in my lab after several hours of working on it. But of course, the one thing I forgot was the RC controller, which is still charging at home. So, never one to let any opportunity slide. I'm going to run my fifth and final Avatah battery using this. I've had this Avatah now for 5 months, since April. Yeah, beginning of April. And I think I've used this thing once or twice. And not real comfortable with it. But I tell you what, I've already flown 4 batteries, and I'm getting comfortable with it. This is not a bad little thing. I'm not ready to shoot fast gaps like I can with the RC controller, but I'm learning, it's mostly a wrist thing. And here's the problem with the wrist thing. This is an old guy wrist thing. I got a little bit of carpal tunnel in this wrist, so it's kind of hurting when I do some of those turns. So, yeah, everything to make life interesting. So, change the battery out, put in my last battery, and said battery has a full charge, put my jock strap on,